All right, basement framing, knee wall, foundation wall, bearing wall 101, whatever you want to call this. We've got a concrete curb here. As we know, concrete's never perfect. So what I've done is I used my laser, CST Burger. I set a datum, I got my height right there. So I cut that stud, nailed it, cut it, nailed it, cut it, and I've run a chalk line, which you can't see, but I run a chalk line right across the top there. Pulled it nice and snug, there's no sag in it. And all I have to do is stand up my full height studs on the mud sill, tap it against the line, mark it, drop it. I do that all the way across, come back the other way, cut them all and stand them up, and I got a perfectly level wall. All right, I've taken my line out, wound it up, and I'm gonna start sanding these studs. Let's go.